Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Then, I'm going to give you only 3 reasons why you should get this card right now. And lastly, we're going to end this video with the explanation of the perks and benefits of this card. So without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. If you were wondering how I was able to get this next day shipping, it's simple. I just had to call Chase after I got approved for this card and ask for expedited shipping because I needed to use this card right away. They were happy to comply and ship it for free. Yeah, it's a really nice feature that everyone should take advantage of. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. Yeah, it's just a regular envelope. Not as fancy as the Platinum unboxing, I'm afraid. Okay, here's how the card looks. Okay, let's take a better look at the card by peeling off the sticker and stick it to the back. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. On top of that, this is a metal card, which is always a bonus in my book. Okay, let's take a look at the paperwork. Here you go. This is saying that I have $6,000 credit limit, which is fine. This one is card membership agreement. Yeah, I'm definitely for sure gonna read this. This one says that I have 22.99% interest rate, which is whatever. If you don't carry any balance, the interest rate shouldn't matter to you anyway. Alright, this page is talking about the multiplier, 2x on travel and dining and 1x on everything else. This page is explaining some of the benefits that this card comes with, which we will get to it later. And here's some more information about the perks and benefits. Now, Chase also sent me an envelope separately which had this guide to benefit booklet. In here they highlight all the additional perks and benefits which we were going to talk about at the end of the video. Wait, before we end the unboxing, let's do a quick drop test. Honestly, it does not sound that bad. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. Now, let me tell you about 3 reasons why you should get this card right now. The biggest reason is that recently announced historic all-time high welcome offer. So, was I lucky enough to receive this welcome offer? The answer is no. I was stuck with the inferior $80K offer because I was just too impatient. I was literally like a day or 2 early. So, I called up Chase to see if they will match this offer, and this is how the conversation went. Yeah, I recently applied for the Chase Sapphire Preferred, but my welcome offer was $80K and I was hoping you could match it up to the latest offer, which is $100K.
Right. Yes, the new offer that you're referring to, yes, it did come out yesterday, and I do apologize, sir, that we are not doing any matches, so we would not be able to change your offer that you applied for.
But this card hasn't even arrived yet. Isn't there anything you could do?
I definitely understand that everyone is actually calling about it, but it did go out to us that we are not doing any matches. I definitely apologize, sir.
Alright, thank you. But I didn't give up yet. I called them again, and this time I asked for the manager because I really wanted that offer. But the manager also came back with the same answer, so I just gave up. But this $80K offer was the historic high offer at the time, and it also came with $50 grocery credit, which effectively makes this a $45 card, which isn't too bad, to be honest. Now, before we move on to the second reason, let's calculate the value of this $100K welcome offer. If you simply redeem for cashback, it will be worth a cool $1,000. If you redeem for travel using the Chase Travel portal or use the pay yourself back feature, that will be worth $1,250. And if you transfer this point to any of the Chase's transport partners, you could easily get up to and above $2,000 in value. Do you still need another reason to apply for this card? Okay, fine. Let me give you the second reason. And the second reason is access to higher redemption value, and access to that pay yourself back feature. So your points will effectively be worth 1.25 times the value if you use the Chase's travel portal or if you use this pay yourself back feature. So if you are like me and have gathered bunch of UR points using Chase's other cards, you can effectively combine them and redeem it for higher value. With this card, you will also be able to unlock the access to the transfer partners. With this feature, you can effectively transfer your ultimate reward points to any of these on one-to-one rate and potentially get a higher value redemption for your points. Okay, now let's talk about the final reason why you should get this card. And I personally think this is the best part. The ability to downgrade this card to the no annual fee card in the second year. Let's say in 1 year, you don't want to pay that annual fee, you can easily downgrade this card to a no annual fee card without any trouble. As of right now, I see no reason not to apply for this card. Alright, let's move on to the perks and benefits. And let's start with the multiplier. This is the weakest part of this card in my opinion. You will get 2x on travel and dining. Now to be fair, Chase defines travel very broadly. This is all the categories that Chase defines as travel. Even though it's a pretty broad category, the multiplier is still weak in my opinion. Even Chase's own no annual fee card have better multiplier than this card. But let's face it, you don't get this card for the multiplier. Now, this being one of the Chase's premium credit card, it comes loaded with other benefits as well. So the first one I want to highlight is that 1 year Dash Pass. Depending on whether or not you use DoorDash, it could be worth $0 or $120. Now, the second one is $60 Peloton membership credit. Depending on whether you use Peloton app regularly or not, it could be worth $0 or $60. But hey, free $60. And if you combine my welcome offer of that $50 grocery credit with this $60 Peloton credit, that is $110, which effectively makes this negative $15 card. Chase is literally paying me to hold this card in the first year and giving me $1,000, which is insane. And tell me you need more reasons to apply for this card. And that's not all. This card also comes with travel protection and purchase protection. So on the travel protection side, you get trip cancellation / trip interruption insurance. You also get auto rental collision damage waiver, travel and emergency assistance services, trip delay reimbursement, baggage delay insurance, and lost luggage reimbursement. So on the retail side, you get purchase protection and extended warranty protection. And if you want to learn more about any of this, I will put a link in the description below. Alright, that was it for today, guys. I hope I gave you more than enough reason to apply for this card. Ultimately, the choice is up to you. At the end of the day, you know yourself better than I or anyone else does. So please make your own decision. But in my personal opinion, if you qualify for this card, and assuming that you can hit that $4,000 minimum spend in the first 3 months, I see no reason why you shouldn't go for this card. Even if you're interested in cashback or if you're interested in traveling at some point, this card will come in handy. But like I said, ultimately, decision is up to you. So do your own research and make your own decision. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video useful. I will see you again next time with another video. Okay, bye.